Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Valor Badge in Last War, and yes, it still works in 2025. If you have been confused about how to get and use these badges effectively, stick around. I have got you covered. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the game and head over to the Daily Must Buy section. This is where the magic happens. Inside this section, you'll find the Valor Badge purchase options. Simply browse through the select the badge pack and suits your current need or play style. Whether you're a casual spender or going all in, there is something for everyone. Once selected, go ahead and make the purchase. This is the fastest and most efficient way to stock up on Valor badges, especially helpful if you're not strictly free to play. And that's all. Super simple, right? Now you know how to use and stack Valor badges in Last War, and this method is 100% working in 2025. So this is it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your squad. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.